Alright guys, today we're going to be discussing forcing, which is basically a way in which the spectator thinks they have a free choice, but you're actually manipulating the odds, so they always choose a certain card that you want. So, leading off, this is going to be the cross-cut force, where you're going to be forcing the bottom card. So basically, you can riffle down, tell them to stop anywhere. Say they stop here. I'm going to place the cut down here, and place the bottom packet on here. And after some patterning, I'm basically going to reveal the bottom packet and force my bottom card, and saying that this is their card. Now, of course, this move is very bold, and they might realize what you're doing if you perform this move raw, which is why you're going to need some pattern to cover it up. I know, for a good example, the 52 Cards made a video about how he explained that he was going to play a lie detector game, and they basically kind of just forgot about the force, and that he was really making him choose the bottom card. And that just makes the move feel a lot more natural. Now, of course, if you want another force that doesn't really require setup, you can also do the riffle force. So we can also use the 5 of clubs again. And I'm just going to place this in the middle and hold a break above it. And this is a pretty, not very angle sensitive move, but from the front they might notice a slight discrepancy, so just tilt your hand down a little bit. So basically you're just going to riffle down. Again, tell them they can stop whenever they want, and also give them the opportunity to change their mind. And say they stop here. Maybe here. Basically, you're going to say, alright, this is where you stopped. Is this good? And if they say yes, you just kind of, you take the break, and you cut off at spot above the 5 of clubs, or whatever your force card is. Like this. And say, alright, this is your card. So again, basically, you can riffle down. Basically, let's say stop. And you don't want to cut this packet yet, because otherwise it's going to look really weird when you go back down and cut it again. So basically, you're just going to let them see the break. It's like here. Is this the place you wanted to stop? And they say yes. If they say no, you just keep going. And then once they say yes, you just cut off at the break right above your force card. There you go. That's 2 simple forces that you can use on your spectators. That's going to be the end of this video. So, if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in future videos. Goodbye.